In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Tradingview on laptop Windows. By the end, you'll have the desktop app up and running so you can chart, analyze, and sync your settings across devices with ease. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows laptop, such as Chrome or Edge. In the address bar, type tradingview.com/desktop and press enter. This is Tradingview's official desktop download page. Look for the Download for Windows button and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. Keep the browser window open and give it a moment to complete the download, especially if your internet connection is slower. When the download finishes, it will be saved to your default downloads location, typically the Downloads folder. You can access it by opening File Explorer and clicking Downloads, or by using your browser's Downloads panel. The file you are looking for is named tradingview.msx. The .msx format is a standard Windows app package, which helps ensure a clean, secure installation. Double-click the tradingview.msx file to launch the Windows application installer. If Windows shows a security or smart screen prompt, that's a normal part of installing apps from the web. Confirm that the publisher is Tradingview and proceed. When the installer window appears, click Install. Here is nothing else you need to configure here. Windows will handle the setup automatically. Give it a minute to complete, and avoid closing the installer while it's working. Once the installation finishes, the Tradingview desktop app will usually open on its own. If it doesn't, no problem. Click the Start button, type Tradingview into the search bar, and select the app from the results. The first launch may take a few extra seconds as it initializes everything for the first time. On the sign-in screen, enter your Tradingview account details. Signing in is important because it syncs your charts, watch lists, layouts, and settings. So what you've set up in your browser carries over to the desktop app. If you use two-factor authentication, follow the prompt to complete sign-in. After you are in, you'll be ready to use the desktop version with the performance and stability benefits that come with a native Windows app. That's it. You've downloaded the installer, ran it, completed the installation, launched the app, and signed in to sync your workspace. Enjoy a smoother charting experience on Windows with the Tradingview desktop app.